Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a message to someone on the chess.com game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the chess.com game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will be asked to use your credentials or your social accounts to log in. After entering your credentials, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start your playing sessions. Now, if you wish to send a message to any one of your friends, then tap on the friends icon at the top right corner and then tap on your friend's account to whom you want to send a message. You can also send a message to anyone who isn't even on your friend list by searching for their account using the search box. Once you find the person to whom you want to send message, tap on their account and you will see the message option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will open up a chat page between this person and you. You can simply use the message box and then send your message, and this will create an active chat between you two. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to send a message to someone on the chess.com game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.